Hey y'all, welcome back. So first of all, I sound really stuffed up because I am getting over a cold, so please excuse my voice. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how I safely remove my lash extensions because it is past time for them to come off. For some reason it seems like this time they just didn't hold up how they usually do, and I just decided not to get them filled. This out here kind of hurts because they've grown out so much, and then on this eye I actually had to go in and like put like some little cut pieces I had from strips on the outer corner because all of this is like missing. So I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and take them off, and I'm gonna just stick to my strip lashes for a little minute. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do that. Lash remover that I use is called it's by Existing Beauty Lashes. It's a gel remover. You can get this from Amazon. That's where I got mine from, and I believe it's like $20, so it's not expensive. And if you get lash extensions on a regular anyway, I would recommend you go ahead and get some, unless you would just prefer to pay somebody to remove them for you. But I've used this before, and you trust yourself to be like close to your eyes without stabbing yourself. Like if you're somebody who already does makeup, or you know, anything, if you just trust yourself and you have a steady hand, then you definitely can do this, because you really aren't supposed to get it on your skin. I have put it on my skin before because I actually had a lash that got glued to my eyelid on accident, so it doesn't really bother my skin. If you have sensitive skin, I would just do like a little test patch, or just do like it says and try not to get it on your skin. But you definitely don't want to get it in your eyes either, because it does burn your eyes really bad. So just like the lash glue, y'all, I tried to do my own lash extensions a while ago and I did not know it burned, and yeah, them fumes was, look, it was all in my eyes. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick how I remove my lashes. But so I use, just because I already have these supplies because I do makeup, I have 2 disposable lip brushes, and I also have 2 disposable eyeliner brushes. You can use a toothpick, but like I said, please be careful. I definitely prefer to use the disposable eyeliner ones, because you can just really get a clump of the gel and just sit it on top of there. And it's easier to not get it in your eye versus using this because it's a little bigger. And again, this is what the glue looks like. And I'll make sure I link it down below so y'all can get the direct link for it. But what I do is I just take some and I just put like a drop or so, about that much. Can y'all even see? Probably not, but I put like that much. You're definitely gonna need a mirror. I just look down into it like I would if I was putting on lash strip lashes, and I just start tapping it. Do I need to zoom y'all in? Now I'm not gonna come off at one time. I literally just take it and I just tap it along the top of my lashes. And you just let it sit, because once you let it sit for maybe about 5 minutes, if that long, you literally can just pull them off. But I definitely not recommend, you know, holding your lashes up, because definitely when you blink, it's for sure gonna get in your eye and it's gonna burn. And I definitely should have done this like last night, because I actually have somewhere to go, and I can't be walking around with half my lashes off. I'm gonna take the other disposable eyeliner brush and I'm gonna go ahead and work on the other eye. I don't use the same one for both eyes. You really could, because like I said, they're your eyes, but I'd just rather grab a new one. So this eye did really bad. Like, it didn't hold up at all. Over here, y'all, these are lashes. I forgot to even pull them off. Those are lashes that I went in and had to add, because I'm gonna show y'all, like, that's really what this eye looked like compared to this one. So y'all see why I'm taking them off. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's because the weather really hasn't been crazy. It's just humid. Like, it's been hot and humid here in Birmingham, and it seems like everybody has a cold, and I'm just like, is there something else going around? Because I had a cold like 3 weeks ago, and I just got a cold again. Like, if y'all can hear it in my voice, I definitely got over a cold. I was fine for like 3 to 5 days, and then woke up with a sore throat again. So I don't know what's going around, but it's definitely something else in the air. But now that both eyes are done, I'll just go off camera and just find me something to wear probably, and I'll just come back when it's time for me to take them off. Ooh, why I keep kicking this light? Okay, y'all, so it's been, I don't even know how long it's been, but what I like to do is I take the eyeliner brush and I just kind of mess with them to see if they're loose. So as y'all can see, I went and got a pair of tweezers. What I'm doing is I'm just clamping like the space in between my my eyelid and the extension, and I'm just kind of dragging it out, but I'm not pulling it hard at all. So what this is doing is just helping me go ahead and remove the lashes. It's not pulling it, it's just removing the ones that are already soft. I can just go ahead and drag them out, pull them in there. Don't pull, please don't force it, because you will end up pulling out your real eyelashes, which we don't want to do. And I'm noticing, like, this time when I got my lashes done, it's probably not even gonna show, but do y'all see that little ball of glue that's like all over the top of my lashes? And that's how I just know. I don't know, maybe my lash tech was having a bad day or something, but I just like this set wasn't like the best set that she had done. Like you see, I'm literally just picking, like grabbing it, and it's just gliding right off. And like I said, the ones that don't come off, they just aren't ready to come off yet. So you see how that one's not, I hope y'all can see, yeah, you can see how that one's not coming off. So we're not gonna force it to come off yet. This is what we're working with, y'all. We're almost finished, finally. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, these two are pissing me off because why they're not coming off. I'm actually struggling to get this one off, and it's starting to hurt, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. It would be in the corner of my eye, and I don't want to put too much product there because, like I said, if you get this in your eye, it's gonna burn. I'm not gonna act like I didn't lose any lashes during this process, because some of my real lashes definitely came out. Alright, well, that just came off when I was wiping my eye, so that one took out a real lash, but I kind of was expecting it because it was so stuck. The lashes are finally off, and I look so different. But I tried to wipe the rest of the remover off with a makeup remover wipe. Don't do that, because I noticed it kind of like hardened the stuff on my lashes and it turned it kind of white. So definitely just go in like with a wet rag or a paper towel, whatever you prefer to use on your face. I did want to mention, please do not use a cotton swab. I meant to say at the beginning of the video, but if you use a cotton swab, the little fibers can either get caught in the extensions or they can get in your eye, and that's not good. It'll cause you to like hit one of them and you'll end up getting stuff in your eye. So don't use a cotton swab. Like I said, use a toothpick, a disposable lip one, or a disposable eyeliner one. I just want to show you guys my lashes up closer. You guys can see I do still have lashes. This is like how my natural lashes look anyway, but this eye over here is a little thinner where I pulled that lash out on accident. But the method is definitely safe as long as you follow the correct steps and you don't get it in your eyes. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Lashes are off, and I'm so relieved because it took me I feel like it took like 2 hours. Like, that's why I ended up going in with the little tweezers I had, because it was just taking too long. Like, but yeah, they're off and it's definitely safe. So anyways, I hope this video was very helpful. If it was, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.